Ian, thanks for the invitation to the HQ at EROWA in Switzerland. Now, REM Systems have been supporting the UK market with EROWA solutions for a number of years, very successful. But the buzzword in the marketplace, and certainly in the UK, is automation. But where does it actually fit in with EROWA?
Well, really, automation is part of the EROWA portfolio, but it's part of our flexible manufacturing concept. So there's 4 steps to really achieve a good automation cell. And the first part really is looking at standardisation, the work holding, the tooling that's required on the machine tool table. And with the EROWA range, with the repeatability of 2 microns, that's the starting point.
And I think also what we need to talk about as well is that, you know, the size of the part or the amount of parts. How does that cater at EROWA?
Well, we can go from a few kilos on a very small pallet up to anything at 4.4 tons with a very bespoke pallet or machine table.
And when you look at the future, we're coming up to Mack 2020. Will you bring these 4 concepts to the UK at Mack 2020?
Yeah, the whole idea of every show that we do with Mack is that we're trying to promote the flexible manufacturing concept of EROWA. This year we're going to be highlighting our more heavier range of automation solutions. On our stand we'll have the Robot Easy 800 and then we'll have an ERD 150L, and dotted around the exhibition there's going to be quite a few of our best-selling robots, the Robot Compact 80 on other machine tool manufacturer stands.
That's quite interesting actually. What I want to touch on there is that obviously you say flexibility. Is it a point that you're actually getting involved at the start of a process, or are you actually retrofitting as well?
Both really, but the ideal scenario is to be involved at the very beginning when the customer is looking at which machine tool manufacturer he may be looking at and the control, so we can advise them to spec the machine tool correctly so the robot will fit easily onto that machine. Otherwise, yes, there's looking at retrofitting onto existing machines, and there we can help with looking at supplying air to the table using our own air dock systems and working with the machine tool manufacturer for the integration and connection to whichever machine tool control that's on that particular machine.
So the utopia really is to get as many hours out your existing machine tools in your spindle?
Yeah, that's the whole idea of the EROWA flexible manufacturing concept is improving the uptime of the spindle and machining hours of your machine tool.
And when you look at obviously Mack coming up, I presume that you've got installations around the UK, if not this fantastic HQ here, that you can actually demonstrate this?
Oh yes, they've got a variety of installations around the UK that we can take potential clients to show what other companies have achieved over the years.